everybody. Welcome to Maryland Laser Skin and Vein. This is another edition of our live Facebook demonstration. Today we're doing Exilis treatment. Exilis is a radiofrequency device. It's used to tighten elastin fibers and build collagen in the skin. Typically it's used on the lower face and neck for improving nasolabial folds, tightening under the jawline, and the submental or under the chin area. It's extremely safe device. So what we're hoping to achieve on this patient today, she hasn't had any treatments before. We're going to tighten up her jawline. We're going to help lessen the submental volume here and help to minimize her nasolabial lines. This treatment takes roughly about 30 minutes to do. We do 4.5 minutes on each section. It's a comfortable treatment. The goal is to get the temperature of the skin between 40 and 42 degrees Celsius, and that's necessary in order to build collagen and tighten elastin fibers. So we'll go ahead and get started with this. This is our safest device and our most popular device. There's no downtime, there's no preparation needed for the treatment. The only thing that we put on the skin is some ultrasound gel. It does also require electric current. The radiofrequency is carried via electric current, so the patient does have to have a ground pad on, which is it's a safety measure. So we put some cold gel on. The patient doesn't have any makeup on her lower face. And the gel helps to keep the surface of the skin cool and helps glide the handpiece. So we put sufficient gel on. We've been doing this treatment for approximately 9 years. It's become our most popular treatment.
And you can do it on other areas other than the face?
Yes, we also can do body areas. The body areas require a different handpiece, which is right here. The body handpiece has the ability to melt fat as well as tighten skin, whereas the face handpiece only tightens and builds collagen. It has no fat melting capability. So when we start, it will just feel cool. It will gradually build in the heat. This is safe for all skin types. Lightest skin type to the very darkest skin type. There's no special precautions that have to be taken afterwards. No special care is required for the skin. Of course, we prefer sunscreen every day. It's best to use gentle cleansers and moisturize every day. And we also recommend that the patients use antioxidant, which they can continue to use their regular products right after treatment.
Even retinol?
Retinol, we prefer patients hold off on retinol for just tonight. So this is the first quadrant. And the second quadrant we're going to do is on the neck. And so we're going to come back in a few minutes after I'm done the neck. How does that feel right now?
Soothing, actually.
Okay, great. Yeah. And so they just have minimal amount of redness. The redness usually only lasts for about 30 minutes. And so after we do our 4.5 minutes on this section, we'll do 4.5 minutes here on her neck. We don't go over the midline, but we'll get all this. And then we'll come back and we can take a look at the difference that it's made.
one side versus the other, one treated side.